guys, Sergio of Auto Concierge Hawaii. We just finished this beautiful A12 Superfast in Narrow DS, which is a version of a jet black. The car is near perfect, but it didn't start that way. We spent a lot of time polishing, compounding it. Some areas needed to be sanded so it came out perfect. And we just put the ceramic coating on it. So the A12 has replaced the Ferrari F12, which was the last car Ferrari had Pininfarina design. It is now completely designed in-house by the Ferrari design team. One of the big differences is the rear end of the car. It has now 4 taillights. The F12 was only 2 taillights. It also has rear-view steering, which was first introduced on the F12 CDF. This is Ferrari's top of the line. It's a V12, 800 horsepower, and is the latest technology that Ferrari has to offer.